What's up guys? We are back for another Epcot day. In yesterday's vlog, we attended the final night of Illuminations Reflections of Earth at Epcot, and today we are heading back for Epcot Forever, the brand new nighttime spectacular. I'm pretty excited for it. I did see some of the concept art, a little bit of footage online. It does look exciting. Just got ready for the day. I'm probably going to be doing similar to what I did yesterday, pool and then Epcot. But first, I think I might head down to Disney Springs for lunch. I was thinking about hitting up Rainforest Cafe. It's like right there. So and then I'm gonna come back over to the pool. I'm probably gonna take my laptop with me to lunch because I do have to catch up on a few blog posts for the website. I'm transferring over some footage right now from last night from Illumination. So also I heard new merchandise drop today for Epcot Forever. I haven't seen any pin releases yet, but I'm going to be heading over there soon this afternoon to check that out. They also opened up the Odyssey, which is like the little event center, and it's like kind of like the new I think preview center for Epcot, the reimagined Epcot and everything that's coming. So gonna be hitting up that today as well. All right, let's head to Disney Springs. Had a good lunch there at Rainforest Cafe. Now I'm walking back to the hotel here on the bridge from Disney Springs. All right, I'm heading downstairs now. I'm gonna go get a lift over to Epcot. It's about 5 p.m. The whole afternoon I was just chilling at the pool, relax in my room on the balcony. All right guys, we are here at Epcot. Woo! Okay, we are here for opening night of Epcot Forever. I think I'm gonna head to the Odyssey first to check out that pavilion because I heard it closes tonight at 6 p.m. for some private event. That's in 45 minutes, so we gotta get going. Still got these construction walls up over here. Just gotta come through this side around Spaceship Earth.
Walk around here. We can shower.
Everything is possible, even the impossible.
As the day fades and dusk turns to night, Epcot comes to life in a global celebration of Disney music. of new possibilities. Discover a place where real worlds are made fantastic. Where curiosity leads to discovery.
One little spark of inspiration.
We call it Epcot.
Yes!
EPCOP.
Oh, yes.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow. Epcot is and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
Tu es